Here we have a Lexmark WheelWriter, IBM Typewriter by Lexmark, whatever you want to call it. It's got a Lexmark mark on it. Here it is. It's used. It does work. I'll show you that. Power it up. As you can see, everything moved. Let's move the paper out here. Over here. Oops. Okay. Let's just type something. And as you can see, it does work. What you see here is what you're going to get. I don't know what all the features is. I know it's got a lot of good stuff. It's got the cover, but as you can see, the cover's got some holes in it on the one side. But it does have the cover. So everything you see here is what you're going to get. I will not ship this. Local pickup only. Because this monster is pretty heavy. But I know it's got all kinds of features where you can store your different forms and all that. Here's what the inside looks like. It's got a little battery pack for its memory. I don't know if the batteries are any good or not. I picked this up on the auction, government auction. They said they were still using it. They were just downsizing. So, like I said, I don't know. Might need a new wheel. I don't honestly know. What you see here is what you get. It appears to work. All the keys don't stick. Nothing like that. Thank you.